Hey, enjoy. Hey, where's your wife?
Welcome back to the channel. Tonight's video is from Soi Bintabath. If you can see it, it is in Hua Hin. And tonight we are going to show you the nightlife of Hua Hin, what happens on the street and the beautiful girl. So let's go and watch what is happening on the street.
Eh?
My name is Yo.
Your name is Yo, and what is this thing? How do you call this in Thai?
Flower.
Flower. In Thai, kulab. Oh, good.
50 baht.
50 bahts? Only one?
If Thai 50 baht 1 ดอก
100 Nun dog.
1 ดอก
Oh, nun dog one?
ใช่
Oh, okay.
นี่ผมจะมาขายของ
Okay, good. What are you selling? Oh, push. Okay, guys, you are pushing the food. What are you selling? Papaya salad. Okay, good. Bye. So, guys, that's street food. Auntie is selling papaya salad. Mommy, what are you selling? What is the name? Is that your mom?
Yeah.
Your mom?
อะไรวะยาย
Oh, fish.
เนี่ยกูด
ปลาหมึก
เท่าไหร่
พูด3ตัว100ค่ะ
ออริจิ100
Oh, okay.
Good. No, we are exploring. We are not buying shit.
Yeah. So, guys, this is Soi Bintabath. Hey, so what can you tell us about this place?
Friday and Friday and Sunday and free day many people a lot.
Friday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Friday and Sunday, but today is Saturday. There are a lot of people here. What about today? Today is Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all the weekends. Okay, so guys, if you want to have fun in Soi Bintabath, you come from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So look. So guys, as she said, if you want to have fun on this soil, Soi Bintabath. What's the name of the soil? Soi Bintabath. Only. Oh, okay.
And you can see in the over there and over there.
Yeah.
And home.
Oh, okay. So from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the 3 days. Okay. So these 3 days, if you want to have fun, Soi Bintabath Hua Hin, that's the most craziest place you can have fun here. And I'm enjoying the place. It's beautiful. What do you say there? What do you sell?
เป็นตำพาเป็นไนท์คลับ
Nightclub?
and pub and bar นะ
What kind of drink do you have?
อ๋อมี
Nam. What kind of drink?
มีเดียวแล้วก็อยู่ We have cocktail, we have beer and draft beer bucket.
Oh, beer bucket, 19 bahts.
No, beer bucket is 6 bottle 500 baht.
500 baht.
Yeah.
And what is this one?
This one draft beer.
Oh, okay. Do you drink? You don't. Oh, only Coke. Okay, we will come back.
Coke.
No, we want to make video. After the video, we come back. Drink. Okay. So, yeah. Promise. We also have U-turn bar here. So there are a lot of bars on these streets. Hello. Sawadee-krap. A lot of bars on these streets. This place is lovely.
มีหมดเยอะแล้วค่ะเดี๋ยวหนูซื้อให้
So guys, this is Soi Bintabath. Soi Bintabath, and if you want to chill in Hua Hin from Friday to Sunday, this is where you're supposed to be. It's a lovely place, and as you can see, a lot of people are enjoying. They are watching football. They have pool and everything. So it's a lovely place.
Hello everyone, as you can see, my number one YouTuber is telling you this is the right place to come. Don't hesitate to anybody watching. Come and have fun, come and chill. Please.
Yes. Enjoy. Hey, where is your wife? Apart from this place, in Hua Hin, where do you chill? If you want to chill, apart from Soi Bintabath, where do you chill again? So Bintabath, So 80, where we went to?
Soi 94.
Soi 94.
Yeah.
Where is Soi 94?
24. Every a lot kalang, a lot many. So it
Ooh, Soi 94? Okay, here we go there. Can you go? Soi 94. Now we will come back. From here we go to Soi 94. You go? Do you drink? Do you drink beer? You drink? Okay, we're gonna buy drink at Soi 94. Hey, is it far from here?
Yes.
So Bintabath, Binta Burger. Okay, Binta Burger. Wow.
Sorry, I don't remember the here. Why I got it?
Hey, yeah, the door. What do you want to say?
Myanmar, I don't know if I'm
Work here or they are having drinks?
Yeah, like Myanmar people a lot.
They work here or they are having drinks?
Maybe some of.
You want to see?
Six? No, let's go to the other side and come back.
Inside is good. Look at inside.
No, we want to.
Moment.
We want to get a video. We want to take video after that. We come back here. Okay. So like.
Okay.
So guys, you see, this place is lovely. The people are enjoying themselves. So if you want to have fun in Hua Hin, Soi Bintabath, I promise you, you're not going to regret it. So let's get to the other side.
What about Bintabath area?
Soi Bintabath.
Soi Bintabath.
This Billabong Bar. Yeah. Hi. Sawadee krap. Sawadee krap. We want to take video. How much are your drinks?
180 baht for one dish.
For one drink?
Yeah.
Only one bottle, big or small?
Oh, no. Or big.
Small or big?
Small.
Small 180.
No. Big.
Big?
Yeah. For one dish.
Okay. Like this one?
Same.
Not that like 180? Yeah, like this one.
100 baht.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Okay. Hey, where I'm coming? They said, oh, wait.
What's it?
They said they have drink there, 100 bahts.
What's the 94 on them, bro?
Uh-huh.
Hey, guy.
Oh, guy.
Nice.
Okay, so we'll go to the 94. We come back. Banana.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. Hello. Oh. Hi.
Yeah.
Afraid you never pay a brony. I tell you. Hello.
Hello, em Mark.
100 baht, no 1 million baht. So man,
เท่าไหร่
ah,
เท่าไหร่
100
What about this one? How much?
50 baht, okay for
50 baht.
100 baht.
Hey, Adams, come and buy flower for your wife.
I have nice friend. Tell me.
So I said buy one flower.
Yeah.
Ada, she doesn't like it.
No.
You don't like it. Why?
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
It's what? I want to buy it really.
Okay.
So she's
Hello. สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Guys, you are still at Soi Bintabath. Some bar. Some bar.
Oh, what's that?
Hey. So guys, they have street food here too. So you want street food?
And
Or Soi Bintabath?
Mala.
What is the name? Mala. Oh, okay.
Mala kind of.
Mala soup, no?
Yeah,
So we have a bar where you can find a lot of black men. This is where you come, some bar. Lot of black guys. I think this is where it ends, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Wow.
เอ้ยพี่มองใส่คุณลุง
You. Yeah, this.
Yes.
Nah, they are your leader.
ที่จะต้องมาแล้ว
Okay.
ออกมาไหม
What's small?
Ah. But you bueno. Oh, yeah, this is over you in film. We go upload you man.
Yeah.
Flower. Rubber. Why are you crying? Huh? Samai. Why? Flower. Bye bye. Thank you. So guys, this is where we end Soi Bintabath's video. Yes, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, click on the like button so that whenever I post video, you'll be able to watch some for me. And you can also share if you want to. Yeah, you can also share for me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.